When you come to Victus, we really do treat everyone like a person. You know, we try to help them up based on what their needs are and give them really individualized attention. But also, I like the fact that we feel like it's more of a partnership, where most of the time, whenever we are working with patients, we work with them to be able to get them to achieve the best oral health possible.
So I would have to say one of my best experiences working for Victus Dental would be one day we had a little boy who was very, very nervous, and I understood that, and so I kind of like walked him through the procedure, everything going on, let him help me out some, and then later that night, one of our staff members actually had posted the picture in our group. His mom had posted it on Facebook, and then going on about how he wants to be a dentist like me. So it just feels good, you know, to help people through the whole process.
One of our pivotal points is trying to improve the patient experience, you know, and we do that in multiple ways. One of which is, of course, we try to have very friendly and knowledgeable staff. Staff training, staff development is a huge part of us. Growth and the professional development is a huge value that we take into consideration whenever we are bringing on staff members. You know, so whenever you come here, you're going to always be greeted by someone that's knowledgeable and friendly. But on top of that, the physical environment, we try to make it as open as possible because no one likes feeling like they're kind of closed in and claustrophobic. So we try to make everything as open as possible so that way they feel more comfortable. We try to get very comfortable chairs and trying to consider things being as comfortable as possible for everybody.
I had a lot of anxiety. It had been about 10 years since I had seen a dentist. And I think the longer time went on, like the more anxiety I had about going because I was really afraid that I had some work to be done. When I was looking for a new dentist, I was looking at somebody that was more gentle. I mean, honestly, they delivered across the board. Instead of trying to do all the work right up front, they kind of set me on a plan so I wouldn't leave in too much pain at any one time. And so, you know, instead of doing it all in one day, it took about 6 months to get it done, but we got me back on track, and I was glad for that plan instead of just literally attack it all in one day and then not make me want to come back for another 10 years.